Hey there, I'm Dee Allen with the Allen Turner Home Team, and I'm excited that you have selected our website to do your home search on. We also provide market updates, and there's several other features too. But you have signed up for a search based on one of ours that we created and put out there somewhere. So we're glad you're here. I'm going to take a minute of your time and tell you a little bit about how our website works. So hopefully it will help you be more effective with your search. Now, this is probably where you got to right here on this page. This is our basic search engine. You can certainly get right here. Type in zip code you want to search in. I'm going to use Johns Creek because that's where I am. And you type in the zip code. Okay. Now, you can add some zip codes if you wanted, add some different things. But let's just search there. Okay. You can choose beds and baths. So we'll go 3 beds. 2+ baths. And you're probably going to search single family if you're searching in Johns Creek, okay? You can set minimum and maximum price. Let's say we're going to start at $350 and go to $650. That's a pretty wide range. So here we go. Now you see right here it says more options. We'll look at that in a second. So we're going to search, that's the basic search in Johns Creek, okay? Now you'll notice there's some duplication here, same house twice. The next row, same house twice. That's because we're right here where it says total listings in 30022 of 905 listings. We feed all day long information all day long from both multiple listing services that dominate our area, the Georgia MLS and the First Multiple Listing Service. So there's really only about half, maybe more than half, but certainly not 905 active listings in 30022. But I don't know how relevant or important that number is to our discussion today. But anyway, let's say you like one of these houses, okay? You can view the details right here. And all the photos are here. Okay, all the information, the little write-up that you would see on the listing, the schools, Centennial High School, Barnwell Elementary School, so on and so forth, okay? Now, we're going to go back to our search, and we're going to look, we'll go back to Johns Creek. Now this is the broader Johns Creek, okay? But let's say you want to add some different options. You're looking for a specific lot size or a walk score. I'm not going to find many positive walk scores in Johns Creek, but you never know. Keywords. Let's go golf course, okay? There's some golf course properties in Johns Creek, okay? We'll look where there is a golf course in the neighborhood, not necessarily a golf course lot, okay? We're going to go single family in Johns Creek. We're going to start at 600, and we're going to go to $1 million. Okay, and let's see what we get. And these are golf course properties. These are in golf course neighborhoods. Okay, and look at all these reduced prices. I wonder what that means. That means it'd be a great time to buy an expensive home near the golf course, looks like to me. Anyway, that's a conversation we can have together if you'll give me a call. There's a free market report that we'll go over the next time we talk. It's pretty easy to get to. See, they're going to get me to register just like you. Okay, so, but for right now, I'm going to sign off and tell you, you call us anytime. I'm Dee Allen at 678-206-6041, and we're here to help. Talk to you soon.